All right, I'm headed to the job site. I'm gonna take my car this time. I just want to be quick there and back. Thought I would document what it's like. So, join me, shall you? All right, let's go to the university to do a site review. I'm driving today because I just want to get there and back quick. I don't want to deal with train, which isn't usually that bad, but I don't want to deal with putting the boots on, walking from the mall, trudging in there, holding my hard hat, that type of stuff. I'd rather just go there and get it done and move on. So that's what I'm going to do. Maybe I will go straight. Protein bar to eat on the way, and I had a coffee as well. That guy's talking on his phone just like I'm talking to my phone. But yeah, let's do a little bit of time lapse. Perfect. There is nobody here. So there's lots of parking, which is usually half of the problem going to site. So let's go pay for our parking and then get suited up and go check out the progress. Okay, this is the building that we are going to. So it's up on the other side, as well as a couple on this side, because there are entire floors that are being done. Now the fun is to figure out which doors are open. We did that project a few years ago with the jutted out windows in this old building. So that was a project from HELL. It worked out well in the end and had a nice orange staircase. Let's see, can we get in? No, and no, and no. Okay, I wondered as much. 100 different doors on this building and 3 that are open. So I'll go next door and I'll see you inside. Alright, we're now riding to the 11th floor. We'll be looking at the 11th, the 10th, and the 5th. And then back to the office. So now I need to sign in. All right. They got some windows cut out. All the windows cut out, I think. And boarded up here. Maybe there's one or two left. They've got the new floor scaffold there so that they can start erecting the steel, which they are doing, which is good. Make sure I step on and over things. I figure doing a video allows me to take pictures from it. Alright, level 11, they've taken out the mezzanine floor, and we're going to start adding in steel below where the mezzanine was. So that's what that scaffolding is for. And they're putting beams here, and then going to do the same thing below. Alright, so we've got the 11th floor here. Now if I don't drop my phone, that would be fantastic. So the scaffolding jiggles around a lot, but we're only 11 stories up, right? Let's see as it creaks. So that's the windows that are being installed. Okay, good. Some more window. And the brick. Insulation and the old concrete, and we were way too high up to like this, so I'm going to go back in and then go to level 10. Level 10. Where they're putting the windows. Scaffolding is in place. You can see those beams up above for the floor. And then I'm not going to step out here because there's a space and I can't make it. So that is good how it is. So now I'm going to go to level 5 and see how things are. Alright. Good enough. What I do after this is I write a little report, and I'll grab a bunch of photos from these videos that are going on. Here's an installed window. It's all polyed up so it doesn't get all beaten up on the inside. So it's that simple. There's studs fastened into the concrete. A bunch of insulation there. Lots of work to do still. To level 5. Alright. Okay. Alright, and you can see the scaffolding out all the way to the ground. Here's what an old steel stud looks like. Looks like a little truss. Weird, eh? Okay. Well, that came down. All right. And that is basically it. Now I'll go back to the office, pull some photos, and write a site review. Should be good. This level is off limits as it's currently being abated of asbestos. So no go until later. So that's about it. I'll go back to the office and I'll write up a report and put some photos from this video in. Not the ones of my face. Thankfully this phone divides up these videos. But yeah, I just gotta walk back to the car, which is over there. The white one. And I was up there. But yeah. Go back, do that, and that's about it. Just very mundane spending of time, but somebody's got to do it, I guess. So, thanks for joining me. Post edit. I guess I was up there, not the other wing. That's 11 stories. Scaffolding's on the other side.